I don't know what he was doing until he got the second one up. The third one.
This is from Aunt Lori.
Oh. Go.
Brad.
You want Grandma to read it to you? I think that one's a reading card. We didn't even read the other one. Oh, you're eating the tissue, Tice?
Yes.
So the dogs do.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Did you get a check?
Ooh.
I got a check.
How much is it for?
What's it say?
I don't know.
Well,
Annabelle, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you in 2012. Love, Aunt Lori.
Say thank you, Aunt Lori. How much money did you get?
what's it say?
Show it to Mom.
Let's see.
Show it to Dad.
$30?
I want $30.
What are you gonna do with $30?
I
Buy
What
a
are you gonna
new-
buy?
You gonna buy a Rapunzel doll?
know. So I already have that.
A mermaid doll?
I already have that.
Oh, you know what? You wanted a Eric doll.
No, I want an Eric doll because I want that puppy.
What puppy?
The one that has a book and a puppy.
Oh, the jingle one? The jingle? Okay.
Hey,
That?
mister. What are you doing?
That
out
or
there?
maybe an Eric doll. Holy mackerel. There's-
Uh,
Okay, well thank you. Say thank you again where she could see your...
Thank you.
Thank you, Aunt Lori.
Thank you, Aunt Marie.
Say bye.
Bye.